Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize product feed sync with Feedonomics, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize product feed sync with Feedonomics, start by logging into your Feedonomics account. Navigate to the dashboard after logging in. Locate the Integrations tab in the main menu. Click on the Integrations option to access the integration settings. Select the Add Integration button. From the list of available integrations, find the option for your e-commerce platform. Click on the e-commerce platform to begin the authorization process. You'll be prompted to enter your account credentials for that platform. Fill in the required fields with your store's username and password. After entering your credentials, look for the Authorize or Connect button. Click on this button to initiate the authorization. Depending on the platform, you may need to grant specific permissions. Review the permissions being requested and click Allow or grant access to proceed. Once the authorization is successful, you'll receive a confirmation message. Now, return to the Feedonomics dashboard. Look for the newly added integration in the list. Select the integration to configure your product feed settings. Set the frequency for syncing your product data. You can also specify which product attributes you want to include. Review your settings carefully to ensure accurate data flow. Lastly, save your changes to finalize the setup. Your product feed synchronization is now authorized and configured with Feedonomics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.